What a beautiful day it is. Last night into today, Bitcoin has had this phenomenal run after FOMC's kind of pump and dump action. Beautiful run to the upside. And if you watched yesterday's video, I did tell you this is what I was playing. This is what was going on. Break back into the channel. We're testing it out, looking for higher prices. We have gotten that. If you're not subscribed to the channel for the daily content, the daily updates, I don't know why you aren't, to be honest with you. I bring this stuff to you daily. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you get something out of these daily updates. If you're learning something, smash the like button. Show me some love. Now in this video, I'm going to show you my price targets to the upside, the move that I'm currently playing. There is some reason for concern. We're testing the top of this trend line. But important stuff here after this pump. Do we have higher to go? I think so. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you some trades we could possibly get into, smaller time frame as well on Bitcoin. You know we trade Bitcoin and ETH here. We leverage trade the shit out of it. Here's my ETH trade from today. This was peak profit. Since then, I'm still in my Ethereum trade. You guys know I'm showing you all my trades now. And took quite a bit of profit off the table. But I'm expecting higher, so I'm letting it run, just kind of de-risking. You know, we're traders. We take profits on the way up. Go to my order history. This is all last night into today. Took 4,000 there, 1,700 there, 650 there. So cashed in quite a bit already, but still letting the rest run. That's just how we do things. Now let's get right into the charts, guys. Yeah, beautiful run up. And if you watched my video yesterday, if you're aware of what I'm doing, I'm looking for an ending diagonal here. My dog is spazzing out right now. Sorry, guys. I'm looking for an ending diagonal to form to finish off this A wave. We were looking at the possibility of maybe a WXY coming into play if this came down. Still, overall, we're going to the upside, but may need to have swept liquidity down here. There's a whole lot of liquidity down here, guys. Still, there is. But we're pushing up as intended. These were my targets. How we got there does not matter because we were still longing because we knew this is where price was eventually going to be headed, right? So, looking at this A wave, it looks good for an ending diagonal, which we have a correction up, correction down, correction up, correction down, looking for a final correction up. That is how ending diagonals play. Each of these 5 waves should be corrective in nature. And zooming in on our wave 5. It looks like this is our final ABC. How high up do we go? That is the question. How high up do we go? As of right now, guys, it looks like this is pretty much a finished 5 waves. You know, could it be? Well, if we zoom out, and if I pull fibs on this entire move, we have hit the 786 fib. That's a perfectly fine spot to turn around. Usually I want to see the 1-to-1 get hit, at least, but the 786 is perfectly fine, and we are at the top of this parallel channel. This is resistance, guys, and I would not be surprised at all if we start coming to the downside. We're going to kind of look at where we go from here once these targets are hit as well, so stick with me, and then we're going smaller time frame on this. But we are at a perfectly good spot to turn around. No problem with it. But that's not what I'm playing. That's not what I'm playing. There's still quite a bit of liquidity up here. I think we go and take it. I think we overthrow this parallel channel, get everyone really bullish. I already hear everyone saying we're going towards all-time high. We're going towards all-time high. And we may be, guys. We might be. Sure. But that's not what I'm playing. So I think this would get everyone ultra bullish. And then let's just drop the hammer on them, right? This would get us to the 1-to-1. Target is around 66.5K, 67K. You can overthrow a little bit. It's fine. 67K. There's liquidity up there. So that's the target that I'm playing. And on my ETH trade, to be honest, when wherever ETH is, when Bitcoin hits this level, if we hit this level, wherever the ETH price is, because ETH is giving me mixed signals, I will probably just close out my ETH trade. Whenever Bitcoin hits this price, wherever ETH is, I'll just probably close out my trade at that point. All right, I would love to get up to 2,800. I would love for that to happen. But that would mean Ethereum's going to have a pretty large move to the upside. You're talking 12%, and Bitcoin, it would probably double Bitcoin's price action. Yeah, 6%. So ETH would need to pick up a lot of steam. I don't know if it's going to happen. We shall see. But that is my plan. Now, why am I closing out at this level? Number one, because I'm going to already be making so much money. I'm fine with that. I'm not going to get greedy. As you can see, I already took a lot of profits off the table. And I'll close out my position and look for the next trade right here. There's a very good spot of this turn, or a very good chance of this turning around right here. Liquidity would have been swept in full. And I'm just not willing to risk it. Take the money and run. You got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, you know. Could leave a little on the table and hope for a breach to all-time high. But if all-time high is to get taken out, I would be looking at this as a one. Here, I'll get rid of everything. If this is our run up to all-time high, guys, you're talking very high prices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're talking 100K easy, and probably even higher than that. You're talking maybe 120K, right? And I just don't think that's coming right now at this point in time. You could say this is a finished WXY correction to the downside. Sure. I just don't think that's coming right now. So, with that being said, I'm looking at other alternatives. And I'm going to give you guys something I've been looking at right now. So, you know, number one, guys, join the Discord. If you're not already, free Discord. Free Elliott Wave trading course included in the free Discord. Go and just look at all the learning material I provided you guys, plus my free Elliott Wave courses in there as well. But if you want access to the daily alerts, which we have been killing it lately, I keep everyone updated on what I'm seeing on the charts, my plan, what's looking good, what's not looking good. My 24/7 Elliott Wave charts are here as well. Indicators are included. I am constantly in the chat. You just go to upgrade here within the free Discord. And right now, until next Friday, I'm running this promotion. You will get $30 off your first month with the code 30OFF. All right, so go give it a try. $30 off your first month with code 30OFF. And everyone in the premium Discord has been killing it lately. I'm so proud of them. They've been absolutely slaughtering this market with me. Truly makes me happy in this life. It really does. So join premium. I'll see you in there. And let's look. We're going to zoom out. We're going to take a second and zoom out. And I'll show you kind of what I can see setting up. Now, originally, and I still like it, my plan is for this to be a WXY and then possibility for all-time high, right? And we are going to, we're going to come and correct up here to our 67K targets. And ABC down for a finished correction of our Y wave, of our WXY. Then we can talk about entertaining higher targets, right? Then we can talk about all-time high. But you can interpret this as already a finished WXY that's already done. And what could be setting up on the charts is some of this action. And this would take us into elections, a correction up, a correction down, threaten to come lower again, take out this liquidity that's sitting here, and then let's correct up, let's take out all-time high. Let's do it. This would be the length I need for a flat correction. And you would just draw an ABC like that. But, you know, I wouldn't entertain that possibility here. It would just be too short in time compared to our starting wave, right? Way too short in time. I need this to drag out. This would take us into November, into elections, into December, and then beginning of the year would set up. If I see this structure, a long correction playing out that we take out the high, oh, I am hammering a short right here. Want to take this down to like 30K, guys. Something I'm watching out for. This is obviously so far in the future. I can't really entertain it right now. As you know, I'm only focused on like the 4 hour, the hourly, and that's what works best for me and my style of trading. I don't want to be holding trades for months here, you know. So immediately I'm looking at 66, 67K. I want to see this keep pushing up. I want this to pull Ethereum's ass on up out of here. And then we'll be looking to short. It's perfectly fine to short this area. I just don't feel confident in it. It's not a short for me to take. All right. But let's zoom in on this and look to see what some possible trades may be if we're looking to trade this. You know, as you guys know, I am on Blowfin. That's where I do all my trading. That's where everyone is doing their trading. They are no KYC. They are the best no KYC exchange out right now. If you want to give them a try, pinned in the first comment down below is a link. If you use that link to sign up with your email, you will get $100 refunded on your first losing trade with that link. All right. So if you want to give them a try, basically put in a free trade. Go ahead, get your $100 refund if you lose, and you got a free trade out of it. Look at that. But go give them a try. Now, we're zoomed in close on like the 3-minute time frame. As you guys know, we're just going to map in our ABC. Got to end this video soon because my dog is tweaking. ABC. In here, I have a flat correction. Now, how we can interpret this? I mean, are we considering this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No. Because our 3 waves way too small, right? Way too small. I can't entertain that. Are we going to pull the B wave over here and consider this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That's pretty much done. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. But again, that's not what I'm playing. But it looks fine, you know. But if we look at momentum and where momentum's at, you know, RSI is way overbought. The 3 hour way overbought, but there's no real. Nah, I guess there's hidden bearish divergence on the chart. You could say there's hidden bear. The 4 hour. Yeah, it just doesn't look juicy for me right now. But I will tell you what I want to see for me to enter a trade. I want to see I do not want to see this level taken out. I'll tell you right now. I really would like to see this trend line hold, but I do not want to see this level taken out here at 61,280. Now we could have had 1, 2, 3. We could be in our 5th wave where we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere in here, maybe this could be a triangle for 4. And then we have put in a leg in which we have put in a flat, going for an extended 5th to the upside to get us our 66K targets. That would do it. But really, it's just a swift push out of here. I don't want to see this go much lower. I really don't. Don't even want to see this level taken out here. But I'm on the lookout for trades. I would be looking long to catch this last leg up to 66K. If we end up getting a nice little retrace where it looks like just a corrective style retrace, something like this, not a bad short to see if you want this to hold and if you want to start our descent to the downside. But I need to see this kind of shape right now. Maybe a WXY. It's hard to count right now. That's why I'm not currently trading it. I'm sitting in my ETH trade. But hopefully this weekend, tomorrow into this weekend, brings some more clarity to the chart, smaller time frame for us, and we can fire off some solid trades here. So join the premium Discord so you can stay up to date with what I'm doing. You can get alerted when I do see something spicy on the charts. hop on Blowfin, give them a try. See you in the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. Love you.